Warm-up painting on the back of a mediocre painting. I hate to be too literal, but I'm going to start this green apple with the green color. Adding yellow now for this area, but still going to leave this white. And also, you can't really see it on the video, but down here there's a reflection where the light bounces off the white paper and goes up, and then there's always this little highlight and the bottom crest of the fruit. Waiting for this to dry a little, I'm going to add a background in an off-white, which is basically going to be just a little speck of some kind of paint, and spread it around with water, because if we get like some kind of neutral tone in the background, this is going to make our center, you know, highlight and contrast pop a lot more. While the background is still like moist, I'm gonna start adding these shadows, which I'm gonna make like a warm grayish with some red, some black, a little brown. I think that looks about right. We can keep going on the shadows, you know, later. It's just good to have the first, you know, underpainting shadow down. Earlier you saw I put the red in the pear, even there isn't not really any red in the pear. Right there might be just like a hint of reddish, but you got to basically lay down some color as you start building the form. It's 2/3 dry now. I'm gonna put a wash of yellow, being careful to leave some white in I'm gonna add some yellow here in the apple also, like right here and right here. Again, leaving some white there. Adding more green now to the apple here. Now, it's good to have different colors at different planes, far away, closer. If it's all the same color, far away and close, it's going to end up looking flat. So here I'm just trying to keep this sort of at a forward area, this particular tone. Now I'm adding a slightly darker green, just, I don't know why over here, I like to, hopefully because these two colors are, you know, different, then it's gonna like add dimension. I'm not too fond of this green splotch here, so I'm just gonna blot it up. I mixed green and blue, and I'm going to try to add just some kind of depth and circumstance to the shadow. That got all murky, but you know, move on. Now I'm going to try to define this area with the large brush, and then later go in with the small brush and hopefully bring it all together. Looks pretty horrible, but I feel pretty warmed up anyway.